The countdown to next year's budget has begun. Feb 1st, 23 is not so far away. With GST collections being healthy, 1.5 lakh crore month on month has become the norm. We don't really anticipate an increase in rates, but yes, there could be some rationalization in the rates. Input tax credits have been a matter of concern for some taxpayers. Hopefully, there will be some relaxation on the restrictions. The government has an agenda of manufacturing, making India a manufacturing hub, and also on sustainability. We could see some changes in the laws for the government to attain these aims. Separately, from a taxpayer's perspective, there is lack of clarity on certain aspects. CSR spends, it's not entirely clear whether this amount would be available as credit. Also on virtual digital assets, the direct tax laws brought about changes last year. From a customs perspective, it would be nice to see an amnesty scheme. We've had success in service tax as well as under direct tax. Customs also needs an amnesty scheme. From a GST perspective, while it's almost 5.5 years of GST, tribunals are yet to be set up. This has led to litigation going up by way of writs to the high courts. We hope to see some changes around that and that there's some news on tribunals being set up. All in all, with the recession also around the corner globally, there could be an impact even on India, since we are all part of a global supply chain. So there could be some measures taken by the government to protect India and its taxpayers and address this world phenomena.